Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Today we are doing a mystery box from Topbox. Are we excited? I'm a little excited. If you didn't just watch my Topbox video, it was good. It was really good. Spoiler, it was good. So I'm really excited to hop into this mystery box. If you don't know what Topbox is, it's a monthly beauty subscription. Every 2 months or so, they come out with these mystery box, which are like about, I think it's 10 items of their favorite from like 2019, 2020, I believe. And it's $25. And yeah, the last box I got was pretty good. So I wasn't disappointed. And I'm hoping not to be disappointed for this one. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm so excited. All right, this is what it looks like when we open it. Oh, I see some stuff in here. Hopefully good stuff. What do we got? Oh, they always come with a card. That sucks. A little bit. Topbox, beauty box doesn't come with a card, but the mystery box does. Anyway, it says, we hope you enjoyed this mystery box filled with some of our best hits of 2019 and 2020. Yep. What I already said. Yeah. Cool. Alright, so what's the first thing I see? Oh, yeah, I totally got this one. It's the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. For all skin types. I have used this one before. It was pretty good. I'm pretty sure I enjoyed it. Cute little sample size of that. So that's the first item. Not bad for the first item. These are pricey products, so hopefully it keeps getting better. And I see something else that's amazing. It's a sample size, but love it. I love this primer. It is the Pore Primer from the Pore Professional line at Benefit. Super excited. The sample size is tiny, but I'm excited to have it. There's a frog in my throat. That's okay. So see, just tiny, but super awesome. Ooh, 2 products are good so far. Oh, the next ones might not be so good. That's okay. All right, the next one is floss. I think I actually might already have this. I got a floss product recently. And might be the same one. I can't remember if it was Tokyo or not, but let's see. That's what it looks like. It's a really pale pink. This is an eyeshadow, right? Yes, an eyeshadow. One sec, I want to see what the other one is I got. Oh, it's different, yay. This one's Genoa that I got, and it's like a pinky purple, like matte-like color, if you can see that. And that's the old one. This is the new one. It's called, what did I say it's called? Tokyo? Tokyo? Yeah, something like that. Ooh, I like this one. I like floss, and I don't mind their eyeshadows. They're really pretty. I'm really excited to have this one. Another good product. Let's see. What else we got? Ooh. We've got a Laneige product. Laneige? I think it's Laneige. This is the Water Bank Hydro Essence Serum for all skin types. I don't think I've tried this one. I've tried the moisturizer, not the serum. That's super cool. Just a sample size of that. I like Laneige's product, so I am not sad. So far, we are doing good. Super pumped. Super glad I bought it. Oh, and then I see a product I don't like. Manicadar in the color Lucky, which is like a pinky color, if you can see that. Not even going to open it. Yeah. It's a priming gloss stain. Yeah, I'll just save this. Alright, let's move on to the next. What do we got? New by Nature Perfecting Primer. That's a good one. We got this one in the last box too, so that's super exciting. Alright, what is this? Oh, Medusa's makeup. Ooh, that is a color. In the color Siren. It's like a pink purple. I am not even gonna take it out of the box because, oh my goodness, That is not for me. Anyway, move on to the next product, which is not a bad product. I've tried this before. I got the sample size and then I bought a full size, and it is the Avon Himalayan Pink Salt Toothpaste and Ice Mint. Super cute. Super good size. This lasts like forever. It's a good toothpaste, so I'm not complaining. We'll save that for later. Alright, next product. Two more. This one and another one. And this one is Estate, which I'm not sad about because I like Estate products. It is a lippy in the shade Down. I wonder if I have this one. I have one. Let's see. Ah, yeah, same one. Already have it, so that's okay. This one's actually really pretty. It's like a pinky shade. Very nice, actually. See? I like it. So I'm not sad to have another one of these. Anyway, we'll move on to the last product. Be a Bombshell Sangria lip gloss. I think I have this one and I just threw it out. Because I had it for like a long time. Oh no. Maybe. It's very sparkly. Very pink. Very nice. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm pretty sure. Oh, maybe I did throw it out. I don't know. I'm just got too much going on, so we're going to save this. Alright. Oh, that's the last thing. Okay, so what did we get? Did we get 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 awesome products. Guys, I got 4 lippies. Holy. And then we got the Estee Lauder and Laneige, the Pore Professional, super pumped, Nude by Nature, the floss and the floss, the eyeshadow from Floss, and then the toothpaste. That's funny. What did you guys think of this month's mystery box? I'm happy about it. It's pretty good for me. Crazy amount of lipsticks right now though. I can't believe they put 4 in here. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.